Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a comment box in SurveyMonkey. The first thing I want you to do is open up the survey that you want to do this to and then click here on Design Survey. Okay, and now once the editor opens up, I want you to go ahead and click here on Build and you'll see this panel on the right hand side, and then I want you to just scroll down until you see comment box. By the way, this is a premium feature, right? You just drag the comment box to your page, let's say right here, and then just enter your question. For example, in this case, it would be, what do you like most about our product or service? And then I can also go ahead and make this specific part bold. Okay, as you can see, I just highlight the text and then just click here to make it bold. And as you can see, it has been designated as a comment box. And then you can just go ahead and save it. And as you can see, that is how you add a comment box in SurveyMonkey.